Today I want to talk about the truth meter. Now, we all play some bullshit lines sometimes, whether to impress ourselves or others, or maybe both. It's okay, it happens. It's not great though. And I think a big goal of mine, and maybe yours as well, is to be honest and truthful when you're playing, when you're talking with people. So I'm gonna talk about 5 ways to basically reduce the amount of bullshit we're playing and trying to be as truthful as possible. 1. Limit yourself. There are many ways to do that. I'm gonna choose a random one, just playing a solo on one string. The point of limiting ourselves is both learning more about guitar, but mainly listening deeply. When you're listening deeply, it's less likely to play bullshit lines. If you're digging this video and like me to make more of these, the best way to support is by liking, commenting, maybe even sharing this video. And if you dig this backing track, it's also on my Patreon. Thank you. Two, be comfortable with the space. What I mean by that is a lot of times we are actually not comfortable with the space. So this exercise is here to help us feel comfortable with not playing the same as playing, because music is a combination of sounds and silence. So the idea here, we're gonna play 2 bars and then rest for 2 bars. Play 2 bars, rest for 2 bars. Here we go. Three, free improvisation. When I start playing bullshit lines, I actually stop, regroup, and dive into the music. Check it out. Four, close your eyes and breathe. Very simple, very effective. The music is already there. You just need to connect to it. 5. Try to imagine the line before it happens. It doesn't have to be 100% clear, but maybe the sound. Sometimes the line is completely clear, depends on the length. Just try to imagine before you're playing. Don't let your fingers lead, let your ears and emotions lead. Check it out. Thank you so much for listening, guys. I hope this was helpful, and not a bullshit video. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace out.